In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Walmart promo code, an easy way to save money while shopping. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. In the search bar, type coupon follow and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results pop up. What you're looking for is a site called Coupon Follow, coupon codes in real time. It should appear near the top of your search results. Click on this link to access the Coupon Follow website. Once you've landed on the Coupon Follow homepage, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. Go ahead and click into that search bar and type the word Walmart. After you've entered the name, press enter on your keyboard or click the search button. This will direct you to a dedicated page for Walmart showing all available promo codes and discounts. Now that you're on the Walmart page, you'll see a variety of promo codes listed. Each one will have a brief description of what the code offers along with any terms and conditions. Take a moment to browse through the options available. When you find a promo code that suits your needs, click on the Show Coupon Code button. Doing this will reveal the actual code. Now here's a useful tip. Not all promo codes are created equal. While one might give you a percentage off, another might offer free shipping. Carefully review the details of each to ensure you're selecting the one that provides the best value for your shopping needs. Also, be mindful of expiration dates to ensure that the code is still valid at the time of your purchase. Once you've found your desired promo code and click to reveal it, there will be an option to copy the code. Clicking on this button automatically copies the code to your clipboard, a small but handy feature that makes it convenient for pasting it later during checkout. And there you have it, you're now equipped with a fresh Walmart promo code. Head over to Walmart's website or use their app, load up your cart with your desired items, and when you're ready to check out, simply paste the promo code into the designated promo code box in the checkout form. By following these simple steps, you can easily find and apply discount codes to save money on your Walmart purchases. Remember to bookmark this process so you can access promo codes whenever you shop. Happy savings and enjoy your shopping experience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy tips on saving money and making the most out of your online shopping endeavors. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.